Thank you, everyone, joining me today. It's a real pleasure. My name is Partha Maji. I'm a principal research scientist at ARM Machine Learning Research Lab based in Cambridge, UK. Today, I'll be talking about robust object detection in real-life scenario under dataset shifts. So here is a brief outline of the talk. We'll start with discussing the challenges with object detection task in real life. Then we'll move on to a paradigm where we apply probabilistic machine learning concepts into traditional object detection model to improve robustness. Then we move on to a core portion of the talk where we discuss our model called stochastic YOLO. We show how you can simulate the covariate shift or dataset shift and how to validate these kind of models. To conclude the talk, we will talk about a few guidelines and key takeaways you could use in the future. So object detection task, which is one of the primary computer vision tasks, is really very challenging in real life scenarios. And this is due to the fact that in real life scenario, you will have many artifacts. And the artifacts could be due to environment, due to your camera imperfections, lighting conditions, occlusions, day and night environment, different weather conditions, etc. And these conditions, often called in machine learning terms, is dataset shift or covariate shift.